what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the Razer Firefly LED mousepad. So this thing is really cool if you're trying to make your setup more lit. So this mousepad, you can change the color of your setup from many different colors. You can have red, yellow, blue, green, any color you want. And it really just makes your setup pop more. It comes with a 7-foot USB braided cable, so you have plenty of room to attach the mousepad to your setup. The finish of the mousepad itself is a micro textured feeling. I really like the way it feels because it has this soft feel to it, but it's not like, it doesn't feel cold or slippery when you're using it, so I really like that. I had other mousepads in the past. It felt like when I put my hand on the mousepad, it just gets like, my hand gets cold, and I didn't like that. So you won't have that issue with this one. The noise with it, like when you're moving your mouse around on the mousepad, it does make some noise, but it's not as loud as you think. However, if you're okay with a little bit of noise, then this one will be fine. I'm personally okay with it, so I may end up keeping it for myself in the future. The pad itself, the top, it does come with a coating, so it's not going to wear out over time. It'll take longer before things get worse, so it'll definitely last you a while. I'm not exactly sure how long it'll last, but it looks like it's pretty tough material, so you shouldn't have any issues with it. The bottom of the mousepad comes with a rubber base, so you won't have any issues with it sliding around on your desk, which is really nice. Now this mousepad isn't just any old mousepad. It's an LED light up one, and you can do a lot of really cool things with it. You could change the pad to do like a pulsing effect. You can make it pulse from green to blue. You can make it just stay static a color. You can change the color of the lighting depending on which application you have open. A lot of cool stuff you can do with this. I personally like to keep it on one color and just static. If you want to know more about this product, I have a link in the description below pointing to Amazon. If you like this video, don't forget your thumbs up. And if you want to see more tech videos in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Alright guys, peace out.